Good morning, welcome to my workshop. So what am I up to today? Couple of little jobs to do on the bike this morning. I've got a oil dipstick with a temperature gauge to replace my ordinary oil dipstick. So that's just a case of taking one out and putting this in. So I'm going to do that. But the main job that I wanted to do was to replace my fuel cap. So I've got an ordinary standard Proud fuel cap and I want to change it for a flush one. It's only a tuppenny little job, but I just thought it'd be worth doing that and sharing it with you guys today. So let's open the doors, get the bike out, and let's get on with it, shall we? Alright, let's start with the easy job first. So what I've got here is we'll replace the oil filler cap with one with a oil temperature gauge in it. That's to one side. Cool. How cool is that? It's well smart, isn't it? Oh, I think so. Right, let's do the fuel filler cap now, shall we? Okay, so this is a flush mounting fuel filler cap. Okay, so let's remove the existing fuel filler cap, which is obviously sits a little bit proud. Let's make sure we don't, should be dry, but cool. Right, so what happens now is that that's the new cap that goes in there. And then that just pushes down and locks. But what you've got is this little ring here that just fits over it to make it look nice. But what you've got to do is that's just stuck down with like double-sided tape, so we have to pull that off and stick it down, making sure you got it in the right spot. But before you do that, you need to just use a bit of cleaner to make sure that it's absolutely spotless, that there's no product or anything, or oil or residue on the metalwork. So it's got to be absolutely clean. So let's get some cleaner and we'll do that. Right, so what I've got here is some G-Technic panel wipe. So I'm just going to spray a bit of this on the this paper, and then we'll wipe it gently around. I don't want to put it too much over the place, so I'm just going to spray it over here out of the way. There. That should flash off in a couple of seconds. Right. This is a real complex job, I tell you. God, needs all my brain power on this. That'd be funny, wouldn't it, having said that, and then I'll cock it up. Right, so let's push that down and pull that off. That needs to be just right. So, moment of truth. So I think once this sticks, it's stuck. Well, how cool is that?
Set it down there.
Thank you.
There we go. Job done. Right. I've worn myself out. So, there we go. That wasn't too painful, was it? A couple of little jobs that I've done on the bike. Only took a few minutes, but for me it makes a lot of difference. Really pleased with the flush fuel cap, and I just think the temperature gauge is pretty cool. So, there we go. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.